I say survivor, I mean, you see these folks over here? They have already survived a long way, okay? Now, I assume that some of y'all actually know some of these folks, and we're going to introduce them in a minute, and we want to hear from their cheering sections when we do. Get them pumped up. We got a truck on the line, we got a beast on the line. You can see down here in this corner what we're fixing to do. Last Friday, this was 2 days ago, we did the same thing for the youth. And there's a $3,000 gift card that was won. But now, we've got a John Beagle Chevrolet, 4-wheel drive, brand new Silverado on the line. And one of those folks right there owns it, don't you want to know who? Somebody's going to take this home as a consolation prize. This is a beast, okay? And it's a wonderful item. Somebody over there took a picture of themselves with a Hunter safety system vest on, and if they win the truck, they get this $1,000 check. And they can actually cash this check. So don't you want to know who these folks are? Okay, we start at these stages are at 30, 45, and 60 feet. We start off with this Jeep at 45 feet. You shoot, you go back over there and sit down. You miss, you come over here. We pay for perfection. Perfection. 45 and 60, come back to 45 with the mini ski, and 60. By that time, there'll be some folks sitting over here. 30 feet at a raw edge, 60 feet, 45, 60 feet. Somebody's going to win this truck. We're about to find out who. Y'all ready? All right, before we do, we're giving away a John Beagle Chevrolet pickup truck. This is Jonathan Beagle. If you need a truck, he knows which is the fishing rod the bullet comes out of. I recommend these folks to you more highly than you can imagine. If you need a four-wheeler, these folks from Eastern Georgia have helped us, okay? And if you look on the back of these shirts come from Realtree, and these are our sponsors. We can't do this without them. Give them a big hand. That's how you run a truck. That's how you run a truck. Ooh. Attaboy. 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 That's the way. Sit over there and float. I need you and you and you and you. Okay? Now wait a minute, we're not through. We are not through.
Thank you, buddy.
One of these poor guys owns this four-wheeler. We don't know who.
Hey, Boom.
Yeah.
You did a great job, dude.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Congratulations. I appreciate it.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank y'all very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you all.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you. Great job.
Yes, sir.
One of those guys, come see us.
Take a lot of pictures.
Yes.
You'll never know which one you messed up. All right?